Adam sits at the breakfast table eating his favorite rice dish that Mama made. I want to cook rice for Mama too. It looks so easy. Adam opens the kitchen cabinet and finds a bag of rice. He pours some rice into a pot, but it doesn't look right at all. Adam adds water to the rice, but he's not sure how much to use. Maybe more water or less water? This is confusing. Mama finds Adam looking puzzled in the kitchen with rice everywhere. Do you need help, my little chef? Cooking rice has special secrets. Mama shows Adam how to measure rice and water properly. 1 cup of rice needs 2 cups of water, Adam. Let's measure together. Mama teaches Adam to rinse the rice until the water runs clear. We wash the rice to make it fluffy and delicious, just like this. Adam and Mama put the clean rice and measured water in the pot. Now we put the lid on and let the magic happen on the stove. Adam watches the pot eagerly, while Mama explains about patience. Good rice takes time, Adam. We wait 18 minutes without peeking. Steam starts coming from the pot, and Adam gets excited. Look, Mama! The rice is dancing with steam. Is it ready now? Mama and Adam carefully lift the lid to see perfect fluffy rice. Wow, we did it together. The rice looks just like yours, Mama. Adam proudly serves the rice to Mama and takes his first bite. This is the best rice ever because we made it with love. Adam and Mama enjoy their rice together, both smiling happily. Thank you for teaching me, Mama. Now I can cook rice anytime.